This is the box that I received my Baader Hyperion. It's my 8 to 24 millimeter Clickstop zoom. So I got this from Canadian Telescopes in British Columbia, Canada. And to be honest, I think I ordered this on the Sunday before Christmas of this year, of course, and I received it in on the 24th. It took about 2 or 3 days from the time I ordered. I've never had anything come in so fast. As you can see here, this was done expedited, so they sent it out free shipping as fast as it could get here. So pretty cool and pretty impressed with that. So I'm just going to open it. I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to do that on camera. So as we open it, of course, we get, where is that? We get the bill, and the bill is my business. It was actually a good price for no shipping, so I'm not complaining. So we're going to take out all the paper, and this is what we're left with. So I'm just going to put this up for everybody to see. This is one pretty big camera. Actually, I don't have a tape to measure it, but pretty impressed with all that. It even shows you right on the box that you can hook up a camera to this, so that's pretty cool. I might keep this box for a while. So now the question is, how do I get into it? Here we go. And the first thing we see here, oh, very sweet. It gives you a rubber eyepiece guard. I can't remember what they're called, but it's rather pliable, so that's pretty cool. And we get a cap with a lens, like a cap with actually a plastic cover in it, so that's pretty cool. I'll just put that back. Of course, you can take it out, but you can never put it back. So actually, I'll just leave these in the view a little bit. And then inside the box, if you can see that, that's how the lens comes. So just going to pull that out, put the box aside. You can actually stand this right up, so that's pretty handy, especially if you're a klutz like me. Now I'm just going to open this, which is easier said than done. Well, that's pretty interesting, the way they've got this all done up. And I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, so that's actually a bit of a solid bottom, so it will, well, it won't stand on its own, but the bottom does stay flat, so that's pretty cool. I'll be keeping that. This again is another cap. Let me see here. Okay, just going to pull this off. So that's that. Put that back because I'm famous for losing stuff. So there's no actual directions that come with this, which is fine. So I'm going to take this out, I'm going to put it in my hand and lay it down. So you can see how big this eyepiece is. Fairly impressive in weight, fairly impressive in size. I'm really tickled with this one, I can tell you that. So as you can see here, let me see, hold it up a little bit better. It is the Clickstop zoom, and that's Mark III. So there's the eyepiece itself through this one. Fairly cool. And I'm just going to fiddle a little bit with this rubber. This is what they say that you can take off and thread. There we go. Thread the camera. Oops, you can see that it's got the thread on there. Very nice indeed. Okay. And oh, here we go over here. I don't know if you can hear this. Can you hear it click into place? So basically there's a dot here, okay, right where my finger is, and you've got the, well, we'll start at the 8. So you've got the 8, okay, and when you go to 12, oops, I'll just be quiet. You didn't hear the 12 click in, it doesn't click very loudly. Then the 16, that clicks. I'll do it up closer to the microphone. And the 20, that also clicks. So at least you know when it's dark, you don't really have to worry about it. All you have to do is remember where you're at, as in which number, right? So that's pretty cool. I'm impressed with that quite a bit. Good for people like me who have short memories. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it here and fiddle around with it a little bit, and then maybe I will do a stage 2 where I add some of this equipment. And just before I stop, this is the other end. I just took off the cap, and that's what you see from the other end. This is the 1.2 barrel, and I can always attach the bigger one, which fits into the 2-inch, which is how I'll be using this all the time, as a 2-inch. I have a XX16G from Orion, and I want to switch over to the big 2-inch eyepieces. Who knows why? I just like them, and I do like this company. So pretty much, I am going to be buying 2 more eyepieces, both from the same company, because I like these eyepieces. Some people probably say they're too heavy, but for my scope, they'll be just perfect. So maybe I'll do a number 2 video here when I play with this a little bit and see how all these attachments go together. So thanks very much for watching.